If you want a fantastic hair oil, why not start with one of the top brands for hair care, OUAI. And this is their incredible hair oil that will add softness, shine, and hydration. This is fantastic in so many ways. Not only does it help reduce frizz, but it actually will protect from sunlight. It has UV protection. It will help reduce breakage, and it's protectant against heat, so you can put this on before you blow dry your hair. So in the end, you get sleek, frizz-free hair, which I would say my hair's not perfectly frizz-free. I still have a little bit on the top, and I think that's just because of how much breakage I have in my hair. But when I put this on, it smells amazing. I can immediately see the results, and I would say with fine hair I put a little bit too much on the top today, and I really do want to and should focus more on my ends and work up to the top just so it doesn't look too heavy, as this really works. You only need a couple drops. I only put 2 drops on my hair today, and that was more than enough. I think next time I will also stick with 2 drops, but just work on this part more. And you can see right here how this is a little bit drier, and all I need to do is just put a little on my hand and then just put it in. You can put this on dry hair as needed to get rid of those frizzies, to help your hair shine and be sleeker throughout the day, and it just feels like I'm protecting my hair, and it definitely all goes into my hair, and it's not really on my hand at all. I love that so much. But the other way to use it that's really powerful is before or after your shower. You could either put a bunch of this on before to really get a lot more of the hydration into your hair before you shower, or ideally use this after every shower while your hair is just towel dried, and that's really going to make a long-term difference and not show as much shininess as it does when you add it to dry hair. And what's wild about this OUAI hair oil is that it includes ingredients that are new to me, like almond oil. I had never heard of almond oil until I looked into this, and that is going to help reduce breakage and hydrate. It's just a really powerful oil for your hair. And then borage seed oil, that's going to be more hydration and reducing frizz, making it more sleek. And then it has galangal root extract, which they say helps protect your hair, especially color-treated hair, from UV exposure. So cool. Now this is definitely something you'll want to use long term to see real results, since our hair is slow to grow and damage is hard to recover from. It's all about really focusing on taking care of your roots and making sure your hair grows out healthy from the beginning. So I am definitely going to be using OUAI hair oil moving forward. I am so thrilled I finally got this. It is definitely on the higher price side, but I know it's worth it. I know these products are well loved for good reason, and I'm thrilled to have it. I think you'll be as well.